What is up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys are new to the channel, please hit the like button, hit the sub button, and turn on the notification bell to be notified every time I drop. So guys, I was back testing and I came across something that's very helpful, which is the two most powerful candlestick confirmations. So when it comes to entering a trade, I don't only rely on the trend and chart patterns. I also look at the candlestick confirmations. So the two candlestick confirmations that I have found to be profitable in my own research is the hammer, the inverted hammer. This is just one group. So this is just one, and then engulfing candlestick patterns, the bullish and the bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. I've come to find these patterns very profitable, and I'll just show you guys in real time markets, and you guys will see what I mean. So don't mind my lines and everything. This was just me back testing. I'll just play, and then you guys will see what I mean. Okay, so looking at this first, we can see that the market was in an uptrend, right? Market market was in an uptrend. So here we can see that the market was first pushing up. It was very bullish. So we understand that the market is bullish. We can see that there's a resistance right here. You can see price action. Market came, gave us good price action. And then just looking at the current price movement, you can see the market created like a head and shoulder pattern, and you can see it broke out and retested. Let me just go down on the 1 hour time frame so we can see it properly. On the 4 hour time, 1 hour, on a smaller time frame, so I can show you properly on the 1 hour time frame. Let it load. Okay, now you can see the market had a resistance. It's retested that resistance. It came, broke out, it retested, creating a small market chart pattern, and then it dropped. It's dropped. Sorry about that. It's dropped. You can see it came back, retested the previous level of structure, and then dropped, and then market comes back and retests previous level of structure, and then as it retests previous level of structure, we can see that the market is forming a reversal pattern right here. It's giving us three touches on the bottom. So market comes down and give us a reversal pattern, giving us 3 touches, breaks above. You can see a candlestick confirmation and engulfing confirmation, breaks above. So we're waiting for the retest and then waiting for the market to take us above. So you can see this is the pattern that I was talking about. Let's go back to the 4 hour. So now just looking at it, on the 4 hour it looks like a hammer. So this is another thing that you have to know when you combine your candlesticks together. So let's see, we're waiting for market to break up, come retest, and then take us to the upside. Let me just play, and we can see that this support is very strong. I'll show you why. You can see that when the market was coming down, market found resistance over here and then it started supporting. So overall market was in an uptrend, and then this is some type of correction, coming back to correct and fill this level before it takes us to the upside. So let's you can see that this came down beautifully. It's a beautiful correction structure. Let's just zoom back in. Zoom it in. Okay, we can see that this was a beautiful correction structure. Market came down, giving us 3 touches as well, plus a chart pattern confirmation, which was more that what we needed to like confirm that this was going to go up to the upside. You can see the chart pattern right there. Broke above, candlestick confirmation. We broke above, waiting for the retest to take us to the upside. Let me just, guys, do not worry about those lines. I was back testing, so yeah, Now just looking at it, we're looking for a retest before we can confirm this. So now let's just play it and see what happens. Okay, let's pause. We see that the market comes, it retests, gave us impulse. This is a correction. You can see that there's a corrective move coming back to retest that previous level of structure, and then we can see like a engulfing candlestick. Let me just put in my lines. You can see that the market creates some sort of pattern, chart pattern, when it retested the support. You can see a beautiful chart pattern right there. It's a hammer pattern, so we would place our buys right just above there. Our take profits will be just right there. We're looking for 1-4, something like that. What's happening now? Okay, small stop loss. Let's play and see what happens. You can see that the market comes, it's playing around, boom, we got take profit hit. You can see how the market respected the trade. Market respected the trade, came and then it touched our take profit level. So now let's delete this and wait and see what the market does. So my main purpose here is to show you the candlestick, the way these candlesticks are so helpful. You don't need to know a lot of candlestick patterns or formations. You just need to know these two, which are your hammer, your inverse hammer, your engulfing candle, bullish engulfing and bearish engulfing candlestick. So you can see the market is coming. We have a support, a resistance right here. Market broke above resistance, comes down right here. It's coming down right here. It's playing around. Now let me pause. You see what market does. It came up, impulse correction, impulse. This more of like a correction, giving us a double bottom. You can see from the first support, giving us a second support, plus candlestick confirmation. This is an engulfing candlestick pattern. So this is a beautiful entry. Enter right there. Take profit just previous level of structure, which is our 90% rule. And let's just see what happens. Okay, we can see that we're in some sort of profits, respecting this resistance. Let's see if we can get it to break above. Boom, breaks above, moves up beautifully. See how the market is moving now. Let's just wait for it to take profit. Oh, it's moving beautifully. Boom, take profit hit. Boom. Okay, let me pause it right there. We can see that take profit was hit, and also the way it approached that resistance, we can see it approached it with the reversal pattern, chart pattern. So guys, if you understand your chart patterns, you can see that this is a reversal chart pattern. And what makes this chart pattern strong is the fact that we coming back to this resistance here, because previously this is a strong resistance. So the fact that we're coming up to this resistance in this manner, it says a lot about what's gonna happen. So I would be looking to sell the market right here, but let's just play it and see what happens. Our take profit also is hit. Let's see how it goes. You can see it broke below our trend line, our chart pattern. You can see it's creating a resistance. The market is moving beautifully. Let's just wait. Boom, you can see it gave us a good 1:3 trade right there. So but overall we're looking for buys, because this is a very bullish trend. You can see how the market is moving. Just looking at it previously, you can see gave us a chart pattern, a candlestick confirmation right there. Candlestick confirmation. We in for buys. Third touch as well on the trend line. You can see third touch on the trend line. So this is a A+ setup. It's giving us all our requirements. This I would enter with a lot of positions, you know, because I know for sure that this will give me good profit. A plus setup. Let me just increase that, put it right here, somewhere right here, and let's see. So this is a plus setup. Why? Because you can see the market was moving up, overall trend is up, market comes up bullishly, it corrects, very beautiful correction. You can see first, second, third chart pattern as well, giving us a first, second, third candlestick confirmation, beautiful trade. We can see we're retesting previous resistance, which is now support, breaks above, retest again this previous resistance, which becomes support. This is another place you could also enter. You can see candlestick confirmation, boom, take profit is hit, take profit is hit, guys. Beautiful trade. Now let's delete that and see what happens next. Just by anticipating how market is moving, you can see double top. This, if we were looking to sell, it would have been a good sell move, but no, we're not looking for sells, we're looking for buys, because we're trying to move with the trend, because the trend is our friend. We're not trying to trade against the trend. You can see the market is moving up beautifully. You can see we're respecting this trend line, respecting this zone. Oh, respecting the zone. Let me pause it right here. So this is another A plus trade. As you can see, the market was on this trend line, gave us good beautiful third touch chart pattern, gave us a beautiful chart pattern, candlestick confirmation, because you can see how strong these candlestick confirmations are. Just by using this candlestick confirmation, you mix it with your chart patterns and your price action. Just as you can see, we're respecting the trend line, market is pushing up, comes give us this beautiful chart pattern, 1 2 3 touch candlestick confirmation, first, second, third touch, you can see candlestick confirmation, respecting trend line. So this is a very beautiful A plus trade. You can go in hard with so much confidence, and you can even hold this trade. Let's see what happens. As you can see, it's trying to build momentum, it's moving slowly, just trying to make those traders who are afraid of losing, trying to take them out. As you can see, boom, whoa, shucks, damn, we're in profits. You can see how beautiful and how the market moves. As you can see, we're retesting this previous high, let's see what happens. Boom, as you can see, you could also enter right there, candlestick confirmation, you could break, retest, candlestick confirmation, good place to enter. You could scale in over there also, but that's a video for another time. It's a beautiful place to scale in. As you can see, also the market comes in, gives us a small pattern over there, gives us a small bullish flag, good place to enter, and then take profit is hit, guys. So this thing is it's quite simple if you know what you're doing. If you know how to draw your chart patterns, trend line, support and resistance, this trick is very, very helpful, you know, with the candlesticks. And also following the trend. You can see I'm not trading against the trend, I'm just following the trend. Let me pause it here. Let me pause and just show you quickly. Show you guys quickly. Let me just go back in time right here. You can see market gave us chart pattern, beautiful chart pattern, first, second, third touch chart pattern, testing this level, giving us like the three triple bottom pattern, and you can see we pushed up quite strong. We come back, chart pattern, retesting previous resistance, previous trend line, candlestick confirmation, and we push down. You can also see same thing here, candlestick confirmation, chart pattern, and then we can enter right there, we push down. So this thing repeats itself. You can see an engulfing candlestick pattern, we push up. This thing repeats itself, guys. You don't have to complicate anything. You don't literally just have to trade it the way it is. Don't try to complicate it. Trade it the way it is. Trade what you see, not what you think. And yeah, guys, that's just about it. If you guys have any questions, or anything that you all want me to talk about, please put it down in the comment section below. I'll get back to you all. And guys, always remember that the sky is the limit. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. And yeah, guys, get money or you will suffer.